Well, hello there, Ingafay here, and today is day 2 of my 5-day blitz of beauty hacks every woman needs to know. Today, what we're going to talk about is bronzers and translucent powder. Now, did you know that a bronzer is really a 3-in-1 product? You can use a bronzer for a dash out the door look. So you can use it for an eyeshadow. Bronzer looks great on every complexion with eyeshadow. I actually tried it today, if you can see my eyes. I use bronzer today for my lid. So you can do that if you're trying to do something really quick. Bronzer can also be used as a cheek color. If you want to use bronzers as a cheek color, you can smile to make sure you put the bronzer directly on the apple of your cheek, or you can do the famous fish mouth. Suck your mouth in and then making sure that you apply the blush on the apples of your cheek. And then after you're done, you can apply just the residue of the blush or the bronzer right along the perimeter of your nose, just to give you a sun-kissed, suntan glow that just gives you a youthful appearance. That's step 2. For bronzers, you can use it as an eyeshadow, a blush, and even highlight your nose. The second product I wanted to talk to you today is about translucent powder. Are you guys using it? Translucent powder is thebomb.com. Of course, you can use it to set your makeup and you can use it to bake. But one of the reasons I wanted to talk about translucent powder today is to share with you a little trick I just learned. Now, I'm sure many of you, especially if you live in the warmer part of the United States like me, you wear eyeglasses and you have the indentions from your eyeglasses on your nose. Well, what you can do with your translucent powder is to use the translucent powder right where your eyeglasses would sit. Let the translucent powder bake right there. And then after you finish that, put the translucent powder on the brim of your glasses, right where your nose hits. And when you do that, when you will put the glasses on your face, you won't have the indention anymore. So that's a little tip for you too. For me, I use blue light glasses just to extend my grind. So if you're one of those people that are using blue light glasses and you still want your makeup to look on point after you're done working, by all means, make sure you do that. So I'm hoping that these hacks today that I shared with you were a blessing to you. If you would like the complete guide of bronzer and translucent hacks, by all means, comment with the word guide below, and then I will share with you a couple of other hacks that I didn't share in this video with you. I'm hoping that this will help you in your diva persona. If you have any questions, of course, comment below. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day.